Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make chicken quesadillas like Taco Bell. First, gather your ingredients. You will need about 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast, which we will cook and shred. Also, prepare half a cup of creamy jalapeno sauce, which is key to that signature flavor. Make sure you have 8 large flour tortillas and 2 cups of shredded Monterey Jack cheese ready for assembly. This combination creates a truly delicious and satisfying meal. Next, let's prepare the chicken. Cut your chicken breast into 1-inch pieces to ensure even cooking. Marinate these pieces in about 2 tablespoons of your favorite taco seasoning for at least 15 minutes to infuse flavor. Then, cook the chicken in 1 tablespoon of oil over medium-high heat until it's fully cooked through and nicely browned. Once cooked, shred the chicken finely using 2 forks. This texture is perfect for the quesadilla filling. Now, let's assemble these delicious quesadillas. Take 1 large flour tortilla and spread about 1 tablespoon of the creamy jalapeno sauce evenly over 1/2. On top of the sauce, add approximately 1/4 cup of your shredded chicken. Then, sprinkle about 1/4 cup of the Monterey Jack cheese over the chicken. Carefully fold the empty half of the tortilla over the filling, pressing down gently to create a neat crescent shape. Repeat this process for all your quesadillas. Finally, it's time to cook and serve your quesadillas. Heat a non-stick pan or griddle over medium heat. Place a quesadilla in the pan and cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until it's golden brown and the cheese is perfectly melted and gooey. Once cooked, remove it from the pan and let it rest for a moment. Cut each quesadilla into 3 triangles for easy serving. These are best enjoyed immediately, perhaps with a little extra creamy jalapeno sauce or your favorite salsa on the side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.